All right, so I want you to sketch out an idea for your mask, and you're going to sketch out the front view and the side view. And keep in mind your three-dimensional features. So these are the structural components of your mask, like eyebrows, brow bones, eyes if you want to do big eyes, lips, a jaw, cheekbones, anything prominent that you want to be on your mask. We're going to make a note of that, okay? Because I want you to do at least 3 different three-dimensional features on your mask. So start out by drawing your shape for your mask. Mine's a little long like this. And let's say I'm making a bird. I would start with a beak. Maybe it's a big beak. That would be my front view of it. But from the side, it might look like that. So I can mark that. That could be my first three-dimensional feature. If you want, you can even do a bottom beak. There we go. And say I want to do big bulging eyes. That can be another three-dimensional feature. And I can mark that with a 2. I wouldn't mark this 2 and 3 because they're the same feature. So that just counts as the second three-dimensional feature. Okay, we want 3 different types of features. Let's say I want to do some puffy cheeks. Even though I added extra curve to my mask to make it cheek-like, maybe I want to add a little more, add a three-dimensional feature that accentuates the cheeks a little more. And then I would put that on this side as well. And that could be my third three-dimensional feature. If you want, you could keep going, do more three-dimensional features. Say I want to put horns on my bird. Maybe it's a fantasy bird, something I made up, a creature I made up. All right, that would be a fourth three-dimensional feature. Let's say I want to do some dramatic eyebrows that are popping off of the surface of the mask. Then I can label that number 5. All right, anything that you want to pop off your mask, go ahead and draw it out and label it. And anything that's maybe a little small, like say I wanted to put teeth, or maybe I wanted to put feathers, those will count as decoration at the very end. You could even put eyes on, you can paint eyes on or put them on with paper at the very end, and that would count as decoration. You wouldn't add those as your features today. But go ahead and draw out your plan for your mask and mark all the features that you want that are three-dimensional, that are big, and they're popping off of the surface of the mask. All right.